Yes, Lata ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, thank you so much for giving us the attunement.
Yes.
And I just wanted to ask you, I have this red, you have that matkas, na?
Yeah.
So I have that matka. On that also, ma'am, yesterday I was seeing your Money Reiki course. You had a red bottle and you had drawn the dollar symbol.
Hmm.
Yes. So on the red matka also, I can do that.
Yes. Red is the energy of Mooladhara, which will help you attract a lot of money. And that is why it's important to do that.
Yeah. So matka will do, no? That's what I just wanted to ask.
Matka is even better because it's made up of mud. Mud is the earth energy. Earth energy is again Mooladhara.
Yes. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes. Yes, Neha, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, it's blue pen, na?
Which one?
Blue color pen, no? You have to draw the dollar sign.
Any color pen is okay. It should be seen, visible on that.
Thank you.
Yes, Neha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm really very grateful. Thank you so much. And I want to ask, we can use all the Reiki symbols like I learned till second level. Seiki, Chokurai. Can I draw with those also?
Yes.
With the manifestation symbol, affirmation symbol, clearing symbol, we can use that also.
Absolutely, you can.
And Zebu symbols also, I can use on my wishes chit.
Yes, you should. You should mix all the symbols.
Okay. Thank you so much. You're very nice, very beautiful soul. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you. You made my day.
Thank you. And really, I'm really grateful. Thank you.
Which other course of mine have you taken?
I taken Angel, Oracle, and 2 more courses. Actually, today also, it's randomly I saw the message and I was like, I was going out for shopping. I'm
Neha,
at
you
my
should take
mom's
Claire
place.
Powers in that case because angel and card reading in between is Claire Powers. So I think you should take Claire Powers also.
Yeah, I took those 3 symbols one.
Good.
And Zebu symbols and manifestation one also.
Done.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Anuradha, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can you just share one
Share what?
manifestations?
Sorry?
Manifestation symbol.
Manifestation.
Manifestation symbol. Can you share? Yeah.
It's there in your course also. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That's it? That's it?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Lepakshi,
Thank
can
you so
unmute
much.
yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Sorry, I can't come on camera, ma'am.
No problem.
But I have absolutely no questions. I'm just here to say thank you, thank you, thank you for all that you're doing. I'm coming here after a long time, so it's really nice to see you, with so much of energy, giving out so much of energy. That's really beautiful. And just now I wore the crystal before the attunement. So thank you again for that also. It's like I got this attune from you over there, and again over here I'm getting attuned. So thank you, ma'am. That's all I have to tell. Thank you.
Lots of energy.
Pardon, ma'am?
Overloading of lot of energy.
Yes, ma'am. Totally energized. It's like an energy bomb right now. Thank you so much.
I love you so much.
I love you too, ma'am. Thank you so, so, so much. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Yes, Gopa, unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
To you, it was such a lovely and beautiful, cannot be explained in words how I felt. So you are really such a powerful guru. We are
My
blessed to
God.
have you in our life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Love you a lot.
Love you.
And
देखो
you,
देखो
ma'am.
हाथ आ रहा है. हाँ.
और जो बोल रहा है कि मेरा जो प्रॉब्लम है कि आई हैव एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आई कैन मैनिफेस्ट एवरीथिंग, लेकिन जो कुछ भी होता है ना मेरे हस्बैंड के हाथ से होके आता है. मैं खुद कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, उसमें मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा होके रह जाता है. आई कैन फील दैट मेरे तरफ से कुछ ब्लॉकेजेस वगैरह है, लेकिन इसी के लिए मुझे मतलब ज्यादा विश है, मेरा डिजायर कि मैं खुद कुछ करके जाऊं जब इस।
तो गोपा, आपको बैठ के देखना है कि बचपन से लेके आज तक आपने कहाँ कहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ किया है, आप पैसे कैसे रखते हो, घर कैसे रखते हो, हर चीज अपने बारे में देखो कि कहाँ वो फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं मैच हो रही है, तो कहाँ पे वो गलती हो रहा है, और फिर वो ठीक हो जाएगा।
हाँ, and then how should we give attunement of money reiki to our clients?
So the same procedure what is followed in actual Reiki level 3, and since you are a healer and coach batch wala, you will have the access of grandmaster of money Reiki. तो आप उसको निकालो, देखो उसमें मैंने डिटेल में बताया है कि कैसे अट्यूनमेंट देना है। तो सेम प्रोसीजर यहाँ फॉलो होगा, सिंबल अलग होगा, यहाँ पे जो सिंबल होगा मनी रेखी का, वहां पे जो सिंबल होगा वो रेखी का।
And one thing is that एक शेयरिंग है मेरा इस आज के प्रोसेस के लिए। पहले ना, कैन आई शेयर?
Yes, of course.
यस। सो पहले जो लगा ना, जो कोई पिरामिड दोनों हाथ में आके ऐसे मैग्नेट की तरह बैठा है,
अच्छा
कुछ खींच रहा है, फिर
अच्छा
लगा कि ऐसे घूमते घूमते चला गया, फिर
अच्छा।
वाइट कुछ आ रहा है,
ओके
एट लास्ट लगा कि बॉक्स जो है आपने दिखाया ना वो अट्रैक्शन के लिए,
हाँ।
वो बॉक्स बैठ बैठ के कुछ खींच रहा है, ऐसा लगा। 3 स्टेजेस में मेरा जो फीलिंग्स ऐसा हुआ है।
अच्छा, तो अच्छी बात
About- हाँ,
गुड।
this is about today's experience. And
Okay.
can I share something about Hanuman Reiki experience?
Yes, yes, please.
उस दिन जो हुआ था, मैंने तो हनुमान जी बजरंगबली का प्रेजेंस फील किया था। उसके बाद 3 दिन तक आंख मूंदते ही मुझे बजरंगबली दिख रहे थे, फुल इन ऑरेंज कलर, एंड आई फील सो एनर्जाइज्ड। मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं तो मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं। एंड टिल डेट अभी तक I'm feeling his presence and feeling so much powerful. I just cannot tell you.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes.
He's one of the
Thank you
most
so much.
powerful person, God. हाँ, और उनकी एनर्जी के साथ जुड़े रहना मतलब अभी चमत्कार होगा।
Thank you so much, ma'am. It all happened for you. It's really a totally different concept that we got from you. No one in the in this field I came across who have these type of courses with them.
Wow. Thank you so much, Gopa, for saying that. आपने भी मेरा दिन अच्छा कर दिया।
That is
You know,
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
this gives me energy to make more courses and continue to do more of what I'm doing. Yeah. Dr. Mayuri, she's one of those first few people who got very fast results. इनके अपने फोन पे फटाफट आ रहे थे आफ्टर मनी रेखी।
ये
Yes.
भी अभी आए मैडम, आपका कोर्स शुरू होने के 5 मिनट पहले हाथ में आए ये पैसे।
Wow.
वही चलाई हूँ मैं। That's why I was saying I love money, इसलिए मैं ऐसे बोल रही थी।
Lovely, very
मैम
nice.
मैंने आपको तब बोला था I just had one sharing. That time I had one purse which was always full of money and I had that मुझे 7 purses होनी चाहिए जो हमेशा पैसे से भरी रहनी चाहिए। 7 purses हो गई मैडम, no problem. All the purses are full of money.
Can we
Now
all
I
unmute and
have having 7 bags, after that 7 houses full of money, liquid cash.
Congratulations, Dr. Mayuri.
Congratulations.
Dr. Mayuri.
Congratulations.
Actually, ma'am, I never get purses as a gift, but
Congratulations.
one of my old friends gifted me 2 purses. एक भी नहीं, 2 पर्स गिफ्ट की उसने। आई एम लाइक इसको अब मैं पैसे से भर दूंगी, जिस दिन भर दूंगी तुझे मैसेज करूंगी। एंड मैम द वेरी नेक्स्ट 2-3 डेज उसके ऊपर मैंने मनी रेकी के सिंबल्स बनाए, उसको बोला देख ये सिंबल बनाते हैं, उसके बाद पर्स भरती है। एंड देन इट ऑल भर गई।
Wow, amazing. So for those of you who are thinking कि सच में ये symbols काम करती है, she is a living proof. इन्होंने first day से भी मुझे बताया है कि you know I have seen that improvement happen in my career. She's a gynecologist for those of you who do not know, and it's amazing to see that growth. Very nice. Huge congratulations. Very, very nice. Yes, Dr. Vandana, unmute yourself.
मैम एक्चुअली आई हैव वन डाउट। एक्चुअली मेरा रेकी का पूरा कोर्स हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे मैंने बताया था कि मेरे डॉटर है उसको जॉब के लिए प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, तो मे बी मनी रेकिंग मैं उसके लिए प्रॉपर रेकी करके फिर मनी रेकी करूँ कि मनी रेकिंग आज अटेनमेंट हो गया तो कर सकती हूँ?
मनी रेकी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। सिर्फ यही है कि रेकी में कुछ ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स है जो आपको क्लियर करेंगी। अगर आपको बिलीफ है कि ये सिंबल काम करेंगे तो मनी रेकी डायरेक्टली, लेकिन कुछ लोगों को जिनको समझ नहीं आता कि कैसे सिंबल काम करेगा, तो मनी रेकी से पहले रेकी करेंगे तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट इजी होगा एनर्जी समझने के लिए। बट अदरवाइज आप डायरेक्टली मनी रेकी को जंप कर सकते हो।
या ओके, या फिर रेकी 1-2 कंप्लीट करके पर उसका अटेनमेंट बाकी है ना फिर इसलिए।
इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ स्टार्ट ऑफ विथ मनी रेकी।
ओके,
यस, डन। रीमा, unmute yourself. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I just want to give my gratitude for the attunement today.
Wow.
I'm feeling very positive.
Very nice. So for those of you who do not know, she is a super healer, learning from me how to launch courses, and her topic which she has taken over is inner child healing. So she helps people कि इनका childhood बहुत tough हो, rough हो, ups and downs हो, तो कैसे उससे बाहर आना है. So very soon she'll be launched and you guys can see her and take her courses. Huge congratulations on today's attunement, Reema.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Manisha, unmute yourself.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर दिस अट्यूनमेंट. बहुत टाइम से पेंडिंग चल रहा था.
Correct.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू.
And for those of you who do not know, she is Manisha, who is a super healer learning from me how to launch herself, and her topic is self-love. अपने आप को कैसे प्यार करना है, जैसे भी है आप, तो कैसे प्यार करना है ताकि पूरी दुनिया आपसे प्यार करे. Right?
मैम ये मैंने आपके साथ जुड़ के ही सीखा है एक्चुअली मैं सेल्फ लव कैसे करना है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Lovely. Yes. Yes, Uma ma'am, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, thanks in abundance firstly. Because of you today, I have revised the whole lot of money healing course for me myself, which is almost completed. And with your blessings, I am going to launch myself on Akshaya Tritiya
Wow.
with Tushar sir and all your blessings only.
Amazing.
And it was a feeling of trance now. For me, lots of goosebumps and a happiness feeling. Even before launching, I am feeling like successful, very much successful because
Right?
of you.
That is very
Thank you
important
so
that you
much.
feel that.
Yes, ma'am.
So huge congratulations on today's attunement and all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. And Darshana, you can unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Can you hear
Hi.
me?
Yes, I can.
Thank you, ma'am, first of all, for this beautiful attunement and the revision of the entire course.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to share that from the time I bought these bracelets from you, मेरी किस्मत चमक गई है. I'm
Wow.
get clients मिलते ही रहते हैं, ma'am. अभी तक, like, I'm also a Reiki healer, and I keep getting consistently clients, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Very nice. So huge congratulations on that. So nice to hear this. Very nice. Yes, Nandini, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Lot of gratitude, ma'am, for this attunement. And madam, I took out the Reiki box today out.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to cleanse it, ma'am, first before using it.
Yes.
To sage and all.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And for those of you who don't know, she is super healer Nandini, learning from me how to launch courses. And her topic is how to get rid of procrastination. So she helps people who are not an action taker. They keep thinking in their mind 101 things, 101 ideas, but they don't know how to, make that happen. So she is someone who has courses where she helps people to break that procrastination and go and get her dreams come true. So very soon she'll be launching her courses too. Yes, all the best.
Thank you.
Yes, anybody else who has any more doubts?
Ma'am.
Are we done for the day?
Ma'am.
Can you raise your hand? I will not know who it is.
Ankita.
Just a moment. Let me just, yes. 1 minute, we'll do that together. Yes, Ankita.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you very much. I took a superhero course from you and many other courses. I've been very positive from the day I've taken the course. And thank you for the attunement. And day by day, I'm getting a positive note that I'll be doing something. Before, I used to think twice. like, can I do, can I not do? But from the day I've enrolled to you, it's like just going very smoothly. And the full super healer group is very active with helping us each other with every doubts and things like that. And I'm doing very great. And really, thank you so much for being my mentor.
And those of you who don't know who is Ankita, Ankita is someone who joined Super Healer mid, and she was able to catch up with everyone else who were wherever they are. So I would just call her a super fast healer. She's not
Thank you so much, ma'am.
She's a super fast healer. So very soon she'll also be launching herself. You can introduce yourself with your topic right now. What is your
Yeah,
topic?
my topic is all about healing by mantras, ma'am. Like, I'm doing all the modalities of mantras for various sessions like health, mental health, money, finances, like that, ma'am. Various things I'll be using mantra format.
Yes, so there's a mantra for everything. So how is the power of mantras? How do we chant them? How do they work? All of
What
that.
mantras for what? Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, that is what Ankita is going to teach us, and she'll be launching herself very soon. So huge congratulations for today's session and all the best.
Thank you so
for your
much, ma'am.
launch.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. Anybody else has any doubts, has any feedback for Money Reiki? Or we're done? All right. Okay. So probably tomorrow we will have Saraswati Reiki attunement. So those of you who have Saraswati Reiki, please come over. Those of you who do not have, Saraswati Reiki is everything to do with education for kids and for anyone who wants to move ahead in the knowledge field for the energy of Saraswati. Yes, unmute yourselves.
Ma'am, are you going to teach Ashtalakshmi Reiki also, ma'am?
Wow, how did you know that?
So much.
Yeah, let me show you what just give me 1 minute. I'll show you what I'm doing, because you should know that when I speak something, you should not think, she simply says like this. I don't want that to be on your mind. Give me just about a minute. See what's the next course that's being launched. And how did Darshana read that?
Wow.
How did she know that? I don't know, but this is exactly what I'm doing next. That's Ashtalakshmi Reiki. How do we have the different energies of Lakshmi? Yes. And what is the symbol? What are the mantras? What are the different goddesses? And I think that's very...
Ma'am, when are you launching this?
Just about in 2 days.
Oh my God. Ma'am, today morning I thought to myself that I want to be a money mentor. And this is what is happening.
Very nice. Lovely. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for giving me your time and choosing me as your mentor. Lots of love to each one of you. Lots of light to each one of you. Let's all grow together massively and make a lot of noise, because I want to tell this before I stop. Whenever somebody says, what do you do? And somebody says, I'm a software engineer. They say, wow. You're a doctor? Wow. You're an engineer? Wow. But when they say, I'm a healer, they say, what? That's how is the expression that somebody will say, what does that mean? What is a healer? I don't understand. And I want to bring that expression on people's face. When you say, I'm a healer, they say, wow, you're a healer? Can I have an appointment with you? Can I have your number? Can I let you know? Can I know what you do? And that's the kind of expression that people should have on their face when we say, I'm a healer. So that's why I close this session with that mission, that I'm creating one healer in every house. I would like each one of you to join me in this beautiful, massive mission. August, we have a physical event in Bangalore, and I want each one of you to join me there and make a lot of noise on behalf of all the healers and spread that message out to the world that we are the most important part now. This generation needs more healers than ever before. All right. Yeah, on that note, bye-bye, and wishing all of us lots of money. Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
So well.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
yes,
ma'am.
bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.